Let's talk about these forces that have caused interest in performance management, because it doesn't really matter to argue about its definition. It's been around. Why are we talking about it now? I'll go through the list, and then through my presentation, I'll talk on some of these in some greater depth. The first one I've mentioned, the executive frustration with strategy failure. The next problem, the increase in accountability of employees and managers. The third, much more rapid decision-making going on. No more, like 5 years ago, test and learn and have meetings with your coworkers. Sometimes you have to make the decision on the fly. Fourth, mistrust of the managerial accounting system for transparency and also accuracy. And when I get to that force, I will talk about activity-based costing methodologies as an advancement over traditional standard cost accounting. Fifth, poor customer value management. Organizations are shifting from being product-centric to much more customer-centric. Banks are reorganizing around product managers to more customer managers who are responsible for customer segments. Sixth, contentious budgeting, poor resource capacity planning. Contentious means very controversial budgeting. I personally believe the budgeting process is broken. It's a disaster. And if I walked into your organization, and I could speak Romanian, and there were 50 managers, and I just asked the question, who loves doing the annual budgeting process? How many of the 50 managers would raise their hand? None. We have a problem. Let's talk about what that is. I won't talk much about supply chain management. If some of you are in manufacturing, talk to me afterwards, because the supply chain is really becoming a value chain with different trading partners, and they must all be more synchronized. And finally, unfulfilled return on investment promises from large IT systems like an ERP system. It's not that these systems are bad, they're excellent. It's just that they haven't delivered the return on investment. They've provided the potential for the return on investment. The performance management solutions actually unleashes that potential and delivers the ROI.